Good good morning, everyone. So now we are going to create a car rental application with help of the Firebase MVM pattern. Provider is a state management and repository. Okay, here we are using the Firebase. These are the module going to cover again the splash, login, home screen, car details, add a car, my booking profile and logout. Help of the Firebase, I'm going to cover the total application. So what is the Firebase? The Firebase is a service. Okay, it's developed by Google. Clear? Cloud-based tools. It's include the database, authentication, analytics, hosting, cloud function, okay, crash analytics, push notifications, other features also there. Where we are using these are the functionality. These are the services. So now come to the our module. Log in and sign up. We'll use the authentication service. Okay, Firebase, the different services is there. Authentication service, database, hosting, cloud services, uh, storage, push notification. These are the services is there in the Firebase. As per this requirement, the sign in and login will use the authentication services. Okay, there is a authentication service is there. We can use the authentication Firebase service to to use that. We'll use the login and sign up functionality. So come to the add car. Okay, come to the add car. This is the one feature, right? Using the to collect the information from the user, that information will save in the Firebase database. Okay, the Firebase has a two type of database. One is the Fire database, Firestore database. Okay, the two things. One is a child, parent child kind of tree structure database is there. Another one is Firebase Firestore database. The Firestore database no SQL. The data, the structure of the data is no SQL format. So saving the information and retrieve information and everything will use the Firestore database. Okay. And other one is help of this application will list out the cars and will book the car. Right. Once you booking the car, the receiver who is upload the car, they will get a notification, push notification. Right. So using the Firebase notification service will implement the push notifications. Okay. So far we completed authentication. See, we discussed about authentication service where we can use authentication service and data storage. Firestore database will use to store our data in the database and some push notification will use the Firebase push notification and the images also will send right. We'll store the images also. The Firestore database store the only data, not a storage part. Okay, the images, video files, audio files, all are stored into the storage, file storage. Okay, these are the Firebase services. Let's go inside one by one. So this is official website of the Firebase is Firebase console. You can type. Let's open the Firebase console. Okay, if you open the Firebase console, it will ask the email and password. Okay, you have to log in with your Gmail. You have to log in with your Gmail. Okay, then after login with your Gmail, you will get this kind of page. Clear? Huh? This kind of page. Already, I have the two projects in my account. I have the two projects in my account. So for for this project, I'm going to create a new project in the Firebase. Before going to this, Let's discuss about the pricing part. Okay, we have the services, right? Which service is free, which service is cost. We'll discuss that one. Okay, most of the Firebase will use for the MVP. Okay, minimum viable product. MVP called minimum product. Anyone you can do with the MVP, small application startup, we can use the Firebase initially. So based on our usage, it will increase. That cost also there. But MVP and small application we can with using with the free services. We can run on the free tier. Okay, some limitations also there that we'll discuss now. Firebase pricing part. Now get start no cost, then pay as go. Clear? Huh? You can create a Firebase services with no cost initially. Based on the usage, it will change, right? So get started at no cost, then pay as go, right? Pay as go. Here, there are three columns is there. What is the products? What is a no cost? Which one is a pay as go? Clear? Huh? So now here, analytics. These are the services, right? We discussed these services, right? Previously, authentication, storage, cloud function, right? These are the products is offered by the Firebase. These are the services offered by the Firebase. But which is the cost, which is a no cost? Now this table will decide. Okay. So now A/B testing, analytics, they're no cost. Okay. We can use a number of analytics. We can store. We can use the analytics without any price. App check, app distribution. This is also one service. What is the distribution? The previously I shared the application through the Google Drive. APK I shared through the Google Drive, right? To help of the app distribution, I can share the APK or IPA file through the distribution also. That is also free. Clear? After complete the project, if you want to share this application to the tester through the app distribution, that service also free in the Firebase. Come to the hosting. See, no cost up to 5 GB per month. Hosting. Okay. No cost up to 5 GB per month. Then it will change. Okay. $0.15 per GB. Clear? Huh? And the cloud products, cloud run, cloud build. This is a different. Come to the authentication. We are using the authentication, right? Okay. Phone authentication, all region. Billed per message sent. Okay. Now there is a rates is there. If you want to use the SMS service through the Firebase, this is a price range. Okay, monthly. The different tiers is there. Okay, providers are email, phone, anonymous, social. I will tell you later. This is a pricing. You can get the list of the pricing. You can see this estimation. Clear? Huh? Per SMS region US. Based on the region, it will cost change. The cost will change. Clear? Huh? This is SMS cost. And authentication 50K month. Like monthly active user 50K month. It's a free. No cost up to 50K. Then the price will change. Okay, Google Cloud pricing. When go to Google Cloud pricing, we can verify the we can calculate here also. Active users and cloud fire storage. We discussed right cloud storage. Using the cloud fire store will store the data. See, after 1 GB total is free. We can store up to here. Later it will change. No cost up to 1 GB. And the network document write, document read. Okay, we have the database. In the database, we are retrieving the data, right? We are writing the data. Writing means we are uploading the data into the database. That is one write. If you call the one function, that is one write. If you retrieve the data, that is one write, one read, right? So here, 50K write per day free. 20K, sorry, up to 20K and 20 into 1000. Okay, writes per day is free. Okay, okay, this so many requests we can write to the Firebase database. That's a free. After that, it will cost. So you can imagine that small MVP project, it's not reach the 20K per day, right? That meaning is We can create a small application or anything without no price, without maintain any other person, server person, anything. Using the Firebase, we can create the beautiful project, beautiful application. Okay. So document read. Read means fetching the information. Fetching information 50K per day free. Document deletes. We are deleting the data, right? These are the pricing. So, and the cloud function, cloud messages. Just now we discussed no cost. That a cloud message is nothing but push notification. We can send multiple push notification. There is no cost. Storage. We discussed right storage. Storage means we can store the images, videos, all the files. Up to 5 GB is a free. After that, it will cost $0.026 per GB. Clear? Analytics, cross analytics, right? This is important. What is the purpose of analytics? You can track the error logs or crashes. Where is a crashes? Through the cross analytics, we can identify that. That is a free. Okay. These are the hosting. Okay. These are the other services. In the outer services, we are using the authentication service. We are going to use authentication, cloud storage, okay, file store database, push notification, crosslytics, analytics. Okay, this application, help of the Firebase will build this application. Clara, this is overview of the application. What is the service are using in the Firebase? This video we discussed on that, right? Any doubts? Next video, I'm going to explain the how to integrate the Firebase service and how to create a project in the Firebase. Okay, how to use the Firebase service in our application. We'll discuss in the next video.